Okay, so your next step is to start to add some interior partition walls in. Just keep in mind that Revit will cut the opening for any cased openings or any doorways, any archways, so draw those walls straight across there and then cut those in later. So I'm going to go back to my wall tool, and this time instead of using that exterior stone wall, I'm just going to be using my basic 4.5 inch interior wall. Now, if I want this to line up here, I can't really draw off the core. I'm going to be looking at finished faced exterior interior. I probably grabbed the wrong one. See how that draws in the right direction? If I would have selected finished face exterior, and I'm drawing, oh, that's the same one I just picked. Finished faced interior. Go off here, I'd be drawing in the wrong direction. Now that would work if I started the wall down here. So if I started here, I'm going to say, okay, well I'm going to make that partition into this little bedroom area. Then I can start to, add my other walls in for wherever my hallway is going to go. And again, you see how it's tracking some of the things here. I can always go back through and change up these dimensions. So I'm not super worried about all those being perfect right now. I might draw this wall and then go up here, and then I might go to the modify toolbar at this point, and I might say, okay, well I want to align, and I'm going to click the first element that I want that stays there, and then I'll click this one and it'll push that over for me, and I can start to work my way around. And then maybe I start to add a couple dimensions in as I work just to help me. So if I know that I need a dimension inside of here and I know I want 42 inches or something along that line, I want to select the wall I want to move, and then I can type in the value that I want for that hallway, and then I have my first bedroom kind of set up here. So I'm going to work through adding some additional walls in here, and then the next step we'll be talking about door openings. At some point, if you know there's a bathroom, you can simply take one of these and you can change it over to your 6.5 exterior wet or interior wet wall. Now notice I got to do a little bumping around there. I go back to my align tool and just select, and get those if I knew that needed to be a 6-inch wall. So I want you to start at this point, and I will say I selected this wall, or as I'm drawing these walls here, right now they are also going up to level 2. If you do not have that, like these are first floor interior partitions, you don't want these to go all the way up to layer 3, most likely, because when you go in here to 3 dimensions, then you're looking at, okay, well I don't want that interior wall going all the way up. If you want some of these to go all the way up, you can simply select this wall and take this, and right now it goes up to level 2. You can say, okay, well I need that to go up to level 3. I'm going to be using that up on the next floor. So try to work around adding some interior walls, and then our next step will be doors and windows.